Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to get Windows 11 featured update, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you'll see the featured update already here. You can click on download and install. If you do not find this option, then click on check for updates. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.